Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and are often decentralized. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with its unique features and uses. If you're a beginner interested in cryptocurrency, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this article, we will go over the basics of cryptocurrency and give you an idea of what you need to know to get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptography involves using mathematical algorithms to encode and decode data, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to access or modify the data. Cryptocurrencies are usually decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority or institution. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is still the most well-known and valuable cryptocurrency, but there are now thousands of others, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. When someone wants to send cryptocurrency to someone else, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The transaction is then verified by other nodes on the network, who check that the sender has enough cryptocurrency to send and that the transaction is valid. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain, and the recipient receives the cryptocurrency. To incentivize nodes to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain, they are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency. This process is known as mining, and it involves solving complex mathematical problems using specialized computer hardware. What are the benefits of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies offer several benefits over traditional currencies and payment methods. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority or institution. This makes them more resistant to censorship and government interference. Security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security, making them difficult to counterfeit or double spend. Transactions are also irreversible, meaning once a transaction is made, it cannot be reversed. Anonymity. Cryptocurrencies can offer a degree of anonymity, as transactions do not require personal information to be sent or received. Accessibility. Cryptocurrencies can be used by anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or financial status. Low transaction fees. Cryptocurrency transactions usually have lower fees than traditional payment methods, such as credit cards or bank transfers. What are the risks of cryptocurrency? While there are several benefits to using cryptocurrency, there are also some risks and drawbacks to be aware of. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This makes them a risky investment, as their value can plummet just as quickly as it rises. Regulation. Cryptocurrencies are largely unregulated, which can make them vulnerable to fraud and other illegal activities. Security risks. While cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security, they are still vulnerable to hacking and other security breaches. If someone gains access to your cryptocurrency wallet or private keys, they can steal your cryptocurrency. Lack of acceptance. While more and more merchants are accepting cryptocurrency as payment, it is still not as widely accepted as traditional payment methods. How to buy cryptocurrency? There are several ways to buy cryptocurrency, depending on your location and preferences. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Examples include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken.